I'm here at one of the most prestigious supermarkets in Malaysia. It's in an expat area. A lot of expatriates live here, and this is one of my favorites, Jaya Grocer, and this is the onion prices. I don't even have to go to the wet market to get my onion and garlic. So yeah, pretty stable prices ever since December. I remember going back to the Philippines in December and they were all talking about bawang, about onion prices, and they said, if you're coming to the Philippines, why don't you bring onions for me, because the prices were sky high. Let me take you to a tour right now. I'm here at the grocery and I'm here at the onion section. Let's go onion shopping, Sibuyas. Let's check out the prices in detail. Onions from India are quite cheap. 2 ringgit 40 cents for half a kilo. Asians love cooking with red onions because it's more flavorful and fragrant. 3 ringgit 39 cents for 1 kilo. I bet the Filipinos are not getting this kind of prices. Onions are essentials in Asian cooking. The smaller onion are more expensive. These are shallots. And imported ones from Thailand are also quite affordable. Let's go over and check out the white onions. White onions from European countries are also affordable. That's why I always say Malaysia is cheaper.